How to style your C curve wig. This is the easiest way you can style your C curve wig. As you can see on this video, we are done rolling the wig. After rolling, we are now losing it step by step, losing it small with gently so that the coils won't scatter. As you can see on the smaller video that I'm displaying here, I've already styled the wig and the wig is looking lenke. So stay tuned and watch how I style this awesome wig if you want to learn more on this video. If this is your first time of stopping by, my name is Gift and I'm your stylist. We do makeup, revamping and so many other things on this channel. Please stay tuned and watch to the end so that you will learn a lot on how you can easily style your C curve wig. If you find it difficult to draw your C curve wig, this video is for you, and don't skip any of this video. If this video isn't complete, just click on the next and you will see the full video and the detail. So after losing it gently, what next step is to use your wax and also use your comb to bring out the C curve style you want to style. Okay, you have to go and bring your comb so that your C curve will be ready. And this is my comb. You see how I placed my hand and draw the C curve. If you are doing C curve, you don't need to draw it in a straight line. You just have to use your comb and draw C on side of your hair. As you can see, you don't need to. Make sure you get the exact C when